Hi guys, welcome back to Fab Art Studio. So in today's video, we are going to see how to make a wedding invitation card using Canva. Only thing that you will require is a Canva account that you can open for free. We will create two similar designs. One you can actually print and the other one you can share through WhatsApp or email. So let's start. I have opened this canva.com website. Here I will click on create a design and select an A4 document template. Now for the background you can choose any floral design or any other design that you want, but I have this very beautiful image which is in HD format from raw pixel. You can search in this way. So make sure that you use only those images, those are copyright free. So I had one design with me. Here it is, yeah. So this is a floral design from raw pixel that I have chosen and I have placed it in the center. I will select one border frame because it's a wedding card, so we'll have to put such elements. Now I will add the wedding invitation message. You have to be very particular about the font that you are using in the whole invitation card because it should look graceful. So here I am using Great Vibes font that is very beautiful, and you can also use the same one. For any invitation you can use this particular font. It's very creative. So I have given a gray color for the border, dark gray, and for wedding invitation also I'm changing the color to dark gray. So this is the front design of the card. Now we will design the rear side. So you have to choose the same elements that we have chosen in the first. So for the background I am using the same image again, floral image. And here we have to put little details, so that's the reason I am putting some background so that whatever text we are writing, it should be highlighted properly. So I am using this square box element, and I'm giving a little bit of cream color to it so that whatever message we will write, whatever details we are going to provide, it should be highlighted properly. So make sure that all your center elements are at the center properly. Now I will add this Vakratunda Mahakaya mantra at the top of it, as it is considered to be auspicious. You can copy it from any website like the way I have done. I will place it at the top. Now keep your all details that you have to include ready in a page like the way I have done. So you can put any message, the name of the bride and groom, the placement and the color and the font that we choose for any design decides the final value or final look of your design, right? So you have to be very choosy or particular about the font, colors. All the colors should gel with each other like the way I am doing. I'm making sure that the color won't go out of the theme. So here I'm just including the details of wedding ceremony. There would be definitely some more ceremonies, so you can place your text in such a way that you can accommodate those changes as well, those details as well. So I'm putting a small decorative line below the name of bride and groom. The name of the font that I have chosen for different text boxes, I will list it down in my description box. And all these elements that I have used are the free ones. So our rear side is also done. Make sure that all the elements are at the center. And once your card is complete, all you have to do is you can save it as a PDF or a JPEG and get it printed. Here I am choosing a template wedding card. So this is how it looks. Adding a white square element so that it has space for adding the details. Otherwise the floral design might not highlight the text that we are putting. We will change the opacity of the square box, transparency, and I'm using the same font, but this time I'm writing as save the date. Now I'm adding only the details, basic details of the wedding ceremony. Just make sure that all the designs, the elements, and the text boxes are aligned at the center. And yeah, this is done. You can add more elements to it and you can change the font as well. So you can just download it as a JPEG and that you can share through WhatsApp or email. Just make sure that you are exporting the highest quality of whatever available at that point. So guys, there is a bonus point. If you want this template to edit on your own, you can DM us on Instagram fabarts.studio and we will provide you these two templates that you can edit for free. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel and please stay connected. Goodbye.